perform simulation in real time as they're designing. You can access these tools from the Live Simulation tab right in your Creo design environment. For a structural analysis, define constraints to simulate real-world conditions. In addition to the fixed constraint, you can create an enforced displacement, cylindrical, ball, and planar constraints. We will define a force load. You can define the load by magnitude and direction, or directional components. The load can be specified in a variety of units. You can also create moment, pressure, gravity, centrifugal, and linear acceleration loads. Use the performance options to control the simulation quality. By including thermal boundary conditions and loads, you can perform multi-physics simulation. Then simply activate the live simulation. Since the analysis is performed using the power of your computer's graphics processing unit, the results are generated quickly. The speedy results enable us to identify quickly where we need to improve the model. Since we're working in a seamless environment, we can make changes to our design model and see the impact on our results immediately. Creo Simulation Live eliminates the need to export geometry for analysis, becoming a real-time design assistant. When we're ready to perform design verification prior to releasing our models to manufacturing, we can use Creo Ansys Simulation. The analyses, constraints, and loads that we defined in Creo Simulation Live are available to us in Creo Ansys Simulation. Creo Ansys Simulation also supports calculation of thermal stresses due to temperature differentials in your model. For more accurate and complex analysis scenarios, Creo Ansys Simulation empowers you to define mass, spring, shell, and beam idealizations. We can generate the mesh, display it, control the mesh resolution, and adjust the mesh size, allowing you to improve the fidelity of the solution. Basic results are generated automatically for displacement and von Mises stress. We can create additional advanced results as desired. Now we simply run the analysis. We can view the results in our model window, or launch them in an auxiliary window. We can make further modifications because, just like Creo Simulation Live, we are still in the Creo modeling environment. We simply return to Creo Ansys Simulation and rerun the analysis. With Creo Simulation Live and Creo Ansys Simulation, we can perform design improvement and verification all within the same Creo design application. For more information, visit